Hi viewers, now I'm showing write a C++ program to program that ensures age values are reasonable. So here this is a very important program for every programmer in the world. So here this program is mostly used in web applications, that is you have entered details, so that is not uh, useful. So here I have a program that's a very important program. So here this is a very important, very easy program also. So this program is mostly used in many software companies and many web application companies also. So first I have to explain this program right now. So watch here in that first. This is the header file hash include iostream.h. That is a very important header file in the C++. So every C++ you have to give the header file. So here this is wrong, so watch it. So here this is the hash include iostream.h today.h. that is today.h means std io.h. this is the std input output.h. so here this is the input output std.h. now here this is the main function. So this header file was most important in every C++. So in the C++ you have to give the printf and scanf statements, use this header file. So you have to use the cout and cin statement, you have to give the iostream.h. so here we have to originally printf and scanf statement, so you have to use this. Now here this is the main function, and this main function you have to give that here not or int main also you have to give that. So now here this is the int age, so here we have to give the age also. We have to want age, so here what is the student's age, so here we have to give the age and what is student's age, and what print the scan the agent, that is the write the student's age, that is the percentage d address of age. So here this statements are you have to see in C programming. So now here was that. So here if age less than 10, so here you have to enter an age that is less than 10 in the printf percentage t box x07. so here printf again, so that is the age cannot be less than 10. so here the age cannot be less than 10. so here again printf try again. So again enter ask the what is the student's age, that is a scanf. so here printf thank you entered valid age, so return 0. so watch, you have to understand that. So watch it again. So here we have to enter the less than 10 age. So here the age cannot be less than 10, we have don't entered, try again. So again was the student's age, and we have to enter we have to read the scanf again. Now we have to put the greeting, that is thank you entered valid age, now return 0. so return 0 must and should in every programming in C++ and object oriented. So now here this program I have to write in my C++ IDE, and I have to show output of the program. So here this is the Turbo C++ IDE, and here watch that this is Turbo C++ IDE. So in the Turbo C++ IDE the mouse has been worked. So in the normal C that is mouse doesn't work, so in Turbo C++ IDE only the mouse works. Now click file, now click new. So here there is a new file of Turbo C++, so I have to write a program. Now hash include studio.h, now in main, now int age, now printf what is the student's age. So now type that what is the student's age. So now we have to give the question mark. Now scanf, so in that, so now scanf percentage d address of age. so you have to give that. Now here, if age less than 10, now printf %c, comma, in the single columns, now \x, now 07. So here again we have to use the printf. So here in the, I have to show it. So here we have to give in the stars the age cannot be less than 10. We have to use the \n and we have to close that. So now here again printf. So now here try again. Now close it. So here we have to use the \n, we have to close it. So again printf, what is the student's age, we have to ask again. We have to put the question mark also. Now here scanf %d address of age. So now we have to close that. Now again printf, we have to put the greeting, that is the thank you you entered a valid age. Now we have to close that. Now return 0. Now here, so here I have to write a program, that is the correct program, I have to write it. So now watch it. This time I have to compile this file. So in the C++ side you have to compile this program. Press Alt plus F9, we have to compile this. Press Alt plus F9. So here the lines compiled is 323 and the warnings is 0 and the rest is 0. So now here the program is correct. So this time I have to execute this program. Now Ctrl plus F9. So here was that. So what is the student's age? That the student's age is, we have to give the 9. So now the age cannot be less than 10. So try again. So you don't take the age. So now here we have to put the 21. So was that the output has not seen because you did not give the getCH method. So now press Ctrl plus F5, you have to see the output. So press Ctrl plus F5. So watch greetings, that is the thank you, you are entered a valid age. So here this is the sentence as useful for some application filling, all in applications you have to use it, this application you have to use this. So here this is the way to find the age. So here this is the way to ensure the age values of reasonable. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.